When I feel alone and afraid, I'll trust the plans that you have made. Though I don't know what lies ahead, your faithful hand will guide my steps. You are my helper, I will not fear. You walk beside me, always near. Through every storm, through every day, I'll trust in you.